Okay, Barnyard Engineering here with a Weasler part number 105-0610. It's a yoke assembly for power takeoff shaft. And if you notice, 10 spline. Count them splines right there. Turn them to an angle. 10 spline. It's a 0.981 by 10 spline PTO yoke. And the whole special reason for that is right there. Farmall Cub. I'm a test fitter. Goes right on. Only problem we got here is there's no way to securely latch it on. You can see here we got two balls in there in slots. But over here on the power takeoff shaft, that hole right there is also in a slot. For it to work, the hole would have to be on a spline. So, it looks like something here is going to need some modification in order for this to work properly. Now, if you were to ask me, what I would do here is I would take this whole sleeve assembly off, because it's just held on there with a little snap ring. You see it right there. You just pop that little snap ring off, and this all comes off, this washer, spring, collar, everything. And what I'd do is I would locate, I'd probably put this in the mill, and I would through drill it for a hole. Now you see it's on horizontal. If you through drill it right here at a spline and in through the other spline, that would give you the ability to drop a cotter pin right through and hold this on. Or even a PTO pin would probably work. So, I think this is a viable alternative for those of you guys who have, you know, the Fast Hitch Mott mower or the Fast Hitch Woods 42s or even the Howard Rotovator. This is something, you know, if you can't find the right power takeoff shaft, these are still available. I got this one from Paul B. Parts. It's about 35 bucks plus another 12 or so shipping. So really, to make a relatively rare and valuable piece of equipment work, small price to pay if you ask me. And you just get somebody to go ahead and cross drill this so that you can install a cotter pin. So really, I think it's a viable alternative.